Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Daniel Norton, photographer here in New York, and I asked you, how did I like this? This is a fun one. This one, I was out basically down the street from my house, and there's a really beautiful stream that runs there with we did a lot of different shots here, but it's very kind of rocky and lots of waves and we at first we were kind of going for that vibe, but I found this area where there's kind of like a pool where the water had calmed because these branches had fallen and created this area here, which created a beautiful reflection. This is actually taken in the middle of the day, and it's shot with a Profoto B10. It's basically out here shooting in from the side. And it's creating this like harsh, hard light coming from the side. Now I had to crank the exposure real dark because there's other versions of this image, and maybe I won't put it in this series, but maybe I'll show it somewhere else, where she's actually fire juggling. She likes fire spins or whatever they call it. So she's actually there using fire, and I needed to make sure the fire showed up. So I had to put her in a space where none of the daylight was going to affect it, but that it was dark enough that we could actually see the fire. That is, that it was dark behind her. So getting that exactly right was a little tricky. I ended up having to use high-speed sync outside. With the Profoto B10 off to the side, it was cranked full power to get it where I needed it to be, but we were able to create some fun images. And in the end, some of my favorite ones didn't have the fire at all. So sometimes it works out that way. Thanks so much, though, for taking a look at this image and seeing how you might have lit it yourself. If you've got any other comments, let me know down below. You can check the description and find a link to my Discord server if you want to join the conversation over there, and also my Patreon. I'll talk to you soon.